Hey everyone, if you're looking for a superior work truck, then you want to check out this 2017 Ram 1500. It has a bed liner, HEMI engine, and tons more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your Ram badge right there in the middle of your blacked out grille. You have your halogen headlamps with fog lamps below that. And looking underneath this hood, this has a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine, so you got that power. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch chrome clad wheels. Have all of your badging on the side in chrome for your HEMI engine and your Ram 1500. And then looking at your side mirrors, they are powered and heated. And you have these amazing wheel-to-wheel running boards to help you up in the front seat, the back seat, and into the bed. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray vinyl seats, super comfortable. And then looking over at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front there. And then looking at your 5-inch touchscreen media center, you have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You can always hook up your own device though, listen to your own music. You can also pair your phone with Bluetooth so you can make phone calls right there. You have a compass here, all of your settings on these pages, and then your other settings there. So you have your radio controls there, climate controls below that, tow haul mode, traction control, and your 4-wheel drive transfer case on that side with a 12 volt here and a USB port on the other side, and that drawer pops out. 3 cup holders next to your center console, which has a media hub with a USB port, aux port, and a 12 volt. And this does fold up so you can have a third person sit in this front seat, so it seats 6 people total. So let's go look at the seats in the back. Looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. It is a bench seat, so you can easily just fold it up. You have storage room below that, 2 cup holders in the middle, and then you have these storage compartments that are inside of the floor. You can take them out, clean them off, and slide them right back in. Super easy and convenient. This is a short bed. You have your LED tail lamps in the back, 4x4 badging, and your dual exhaust. And then taking a look into the bed, you have that nice bed liner with 4 tie-down hooks on the sides. So overall, this is a great truck. You have all of the features you're looking for with that HEMI engine, that media center, and your bed liner. So if you want to see this Ram 1500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.